You ready to hit the trail, Stan? Maybe? Or are we ready for another nap? Well, that road ended up being a dead end. Let's go ahead and backtrack a little bit and see what else is in store. Well, alright guys, so I am out here with Eric from Evergreen Runner, and we are on a quick weekend trip out here near Bethel Ridge for the start of early June, and we are already having a great time. We're kind of traversing along some ridges here trying to find camp, and unfortunately wind is a huge factor here. We are actually getting some really good gusts, and also snow is playing a big role still as well. We actually came across a dead end with a bank of snow about 5 feet in depth, so ended up turning around and we're still on the hunt for camp as well. But we are on a two-sided card there. We could either kind of hang out here, enjoy these epic views along the ridges that we did find, and hope that the wind died down, or that totally fails, and as you can hear it continues all night long and we're stuck here. So we're probably gonna keep pushing just a little bit to see if there's some sheltered spots down the way, and if so we might snag those. But regardless, it's a great time. The views are incredible, and looking forward to what the weekend is gonna bring. I think that face says all that we need to know. Stan is not having it with these winds and cold temperatures. I think we're gonna go ahead and push on. Give me the cold shoulder. The level meter shows we're off just -1, but you know what? I'll take it. Well, good morning, everybody. We ended up finding camp last night with the best of both worlds, actually. We're just adjacent to Bethel Ridge, so we have the incredible views just down the way, and then we are tucked in the tree line, so it helps significantly cut on all the gusts that we were experiencing. But the Pacific Northwest weather is definitely shining through today. We have fast-moving clouds with partial blue sunny skies. It's flaked some snow on us a little bit here intermittently, and it is definitely cold with the wind. So I actually have Stanley inside the truck here behind me. I've been running the heat on and off for him because he is not having it, even all bundled up, but I think he prefers being in there in his bed anyway. So we got some coffee made. We'll get some breakfast going here shortly and see where the trail takes us for the rest of the weekend. Woohoo! A little bumpy. You're doing so good. absolutely stunning views up here, but man is it windy. Oh my goodness. Good to just kind of stretch the legs, hop out of the rigs for a little bit, take in the views, but whew, let's jump back in. It's cold. For anyone who has trouble hitting their step count for the day, just go on an overlanding trip and film it. I promise by the time you're all done with setting up camera shots, running up and down the trails to retrieve your camera, you'll get your steps in. I think I'll hit my goal today. With a quick stop for lunch, we soon planned for our afternoon and finding camp. We ultimately decided to deviate from Section 2 of the BDR to explore the forest roads just outside William O. Douglas Wilderness, of which was an area either of us had previously witnessed. Sorry, Stanley. That one was rough, I know. Whew. I think we can find something to make something work here, because this is beautiful.
I was going to see if I downloaded any maps around here. Maybe it opens up again a different spot upriver a little bit.
Yeah, but either way, yeah, we're right on it. So I think it's kind of a free-for-all. But we can continue to explore just in this area. So one of the best things that I love about the GFC is in situations just like this. I have all the windows all the way around wide open, allowing a nice breeze through. We got Stanley passed out, wrapped up in his blanket, and we are riverfront on an incredible site that Eric and I found this afternoon. We hopped off Section 2 of the Washington Backcountry Discovery Route, or the BDR, and explored an adjacent area, and I'm glad we did because we came across many cool sites, but this one in particular where we're going to call home for tonight. But overall, we're just going to be enjoying the views here for a little bit. We're going to get dinner going later on this evening, but in the meantime, this is what it's all about: finding a spot, hanging out, being able to have views such as this right outside your tent, and best part, get to enjoy it with this little guy and of course Eric. So but otherwise, looking forward to dinner, and we'll see where the evening takes us.
No!
Oh man, that's a triple double decker.
Oh.
Wow, look at that. Oh my goodness. Well, alright guys, thanks to Eric, we are fueled up on coffee for the morning, enjoyed an incredible breakfast sandwich, and Stanley and I are going to start packing up camp and working our way home. We got to start the process of unpacking and cleaning before the work week. But otherwise, I would say this weekend was super successful. We got staying out on the trails a little bit more, found some awesome campsites, explored some areas that were new, and just got him some more time on the trails. And then thank you to Eric for hooking us up with taking care of all that is groceries and cooking, and making sure we were fed for this entire weekend. But otherwise, we're going to slowly start working our way out of here and begin the work week. So thank you all for your support. Means the world to me. And until next time, safe travels.